In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the screener file and how to set that up. It's a simple file that you can configure with up to 500 names, and you can check them against Sanction and PEP lists and how to process the results so that you can see exactly what you get, and you can analyze the results of PEP and Sanction hits that are in your file and maintain the file for an ongoing screening process as part of your risk-based approach to compliance. Let me show you that now. Okay, in this video I'm going to show the screener. The screener is very easy to use. So it's the last function here. There's a little drop-down arrow here which gives you access to the encoding, and you can download a sample file. I strongly advise you grab that sample file. Here it comes to my computer now. I open it up. I'm using LibreOffice. I love free software. It's fantastic. And here we go. It presents me the file and the encoding. I can open it right up and see what's inside. It's a very simple file. You can edit this in Excel, Notepad, Calc, whatever you like. It's simply names that you add to the list. So you can just type in names, John Hayes, for example, and add them to the list. You can remove those ones if you don't want them. Save the file right there, and we've got the file. So once you've got your file ready, you can actually screen it by clicking Choose File. You select the file from your drive. I have a file called Sample Screen, not the one you just saw, but one that I've collected with a bunch of names that I pulled from our database that are connected to politics, terrorism, and whatnot, because we have a contextual awareness in the news. So these are names that are pulled from the news. You can see that it hasn't been screened yet. There's no results, but you do see a preview of the names. I click Start Research. It's that simple. It calls the API for each name separately. Your list of clients is never uploaded in entirety to our servers. It is processed in your browser. And once it's done, you get back the results set. You can see each name, whether it's sanctioned or PEP, and you have a link to show you source documents on that name. If there's a sanction or PEP, the link will pull up a window showing the details of that sanction and PEP information. So you can see very quickly the individual, and here's the PEP entries. There you have the sanction entries at the top that cover this individual and justify these hits. You have all the hits there. You can scroll through. Anything sanctioned is highlighted in red, so you will not miss it. You have a summary here of the results that shows how many sanctioned entities and how many newly sanctioned entities that were not in the file before, were not marked as sanctioned before. Same thing with PEP. And then you can download the file again. So here you get the file back. And this is the complete result file. So we open it up again in LibreOffice. And you can see that here we have the new file that I've screened. And you can see each result with the sanction or PEP. And you can see the link that you can use with KYC3 to go in and to check the source documents that back up these results. You can put up to 500 names again. You can screen it as often as you like to check your clients or counterparties. So that's quickly how you use the screener to get results to manage your client risk. Thank you. Thanks for looking at this video. KYC3 is very easy to get. You just go on the website, you click on the Subscribe Now button, you fill in your information, choose the plan that you'd like, yearly or monthly, and you click Sign Up, and you're good to go. You've got an account right off the bat. There is a 7-day no-risk trial, so once you sign up, nothing will show up on your credit card for 7 days, and at the end of that period, your credit card will only be billed. If you wish to cancel your subscription prior to that, just send an email to sales or support, and you can do so. Thank you. One important thing, remember to use Chrome or Firefox. Don't use Internet Explorer. It doesn't support the HTML canvas properly, and you should use Chrome or Firefox if you want to really get the most out of KYC3.